since everybody wants happy life. And happy life very much related with peace. Peace, not only external peace, but internal peace. As a matter of fact, external peace must achieve through, or must approach through inner peace. Without inner peace, world peace impossible to achieve. Full of anger, full of stress, full of anxiety, almost impossible to achieve world peace. So therefore, inner peace, irrespective whether religious-minded or non-religious-minded, even anti-religious people, they also, you see, need more sort of awareness, importance of our inner peace, inner, that we can call inner value.